Today, I will introduce the setting function and operation of the vertical system of the flat panel oscilloscope. This is a flat panel oscilloscope TO1254D from Hantek. How to adjust vertical offset. Vertical offset, that is, the offset of the channel signal zero position of the waveform in the vertical direction relative to the center of the screen. The unit is the same as the currently selected amplitude unit. When adjusting the vertical offset, the waveform of the corresponding channel moves up and down. Using the touch screen function, adjust the vertical offset with a drag gesture. In the channel vertical menu, increase or decrease the offset by clicking the arrow icon next to the value box. How to set up channel coupling. Setting the coupling method can filter out unwanted signals. Open the channel vertical coupling menu to select the coupling method. When the coupling mode is DC, both the DC component and the AC component contained in the measured signal can pass through. When the coupling mode is AC, the DC component contained in the measured signal is blocked. When the coupling mode is ground, both the DC and AC components contained in the measured signal are blocked. After setting the coupling mode, the current coupling mode will be displayed on the channel label.